All right, here we are maneuvering the snowy road.
Careful.
Careful. Oh, there's the plow. We're not going to hit the plow. Plow's a good thing.
I don't want to slide down this, even with chains on. I've slid.
And this is Helen, completely in control.
Hello.
And this is erratic Vin. Very unhappy Vin.
Unhappy.
He's unhappy.
Lewis is very discombobulated.
Fellow plow, neighborhood plow gentleman.
Is this the hairpin turn?
Yeah, this is the famous fiasco hairpin.
Our first introduction to the road.
First, welcome to Lake Tahoe. Don't let the door hit you in the ass on the way out.
Okay. I didn't think it was possible.
Ass is not technically a swear word.
Okay, and with that we'll leave you.